United Arab Emirates, a land of innovation and progress where the future of logistics is taking shape. As technology rapidly evolves, the logistics industry is undergoing a seismic shift. Let's explore some of the key trends shaping the future of UAE logistics. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. From predicting demand to suggesting the best route, AI and machine learning are making deliveries smarter and smoother. Automation and robotics. Robots are sorting, packing, and shipping faster than ever, making UAE a hub for cutting-edge solutions. From automated warehouses to streamlined last-mile delivery, these solutions optimize efficiency, shaping a future-ready logistics ecosystem. Sustainability and green logistics. The UAE is leading the charge for eco-friendly logistics. Renewable energy sources, electric vehicles, and eco-friendly practices are reducing environmental impact and ensuring a greener, more sustainable future for logistics. E-commerce and drone delivery. E-commerce is booming, and drones are taking flight. Imagine your online purchase delivered right to your doorstep in minutes. Join us in shaping the future of UAE logistics. Stay updated on emerging trends and connect with us to streamline your operation for enhanced efficiency.